warm good afternoon to all of you present here on this auspicious day, and I want to welcome you all in the day when we feed the hungry, clothe the naked, forget the guilty, welcome the unwanted, care for the ill, love your enemies, and do unto others as you would have done unto you. May this year be more promising than the year before. Spread the happiness all around you. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
मंदिर, मस्जिद, चर्च हो या गुरुद्वारे, श्रद्धानवत हो शीश झुकाता हूं मैं हर एक द्वारे। जब ऊपर वाला अपनी नेमतों में करता नहीं फर्क, जब ऊपर वाला अपनी नेमतों में करता नहीं फर्क, तो चिराग अलीगढ़ी, ये मेरे हस्बैंड अपने इस नाम से कविताएं लिखा करते थे, तो चिराग अलीगढ़ी कैसे करे सर्वशक्ति के बंटवारे। तो चिराग अलीगढ़ी कैसे करे सर्वशक्ति के बंटवारे। सब जगह एक ही शक्ति, एक ही बात, एक ही ज्ञान, सब जगह एक ही शक्ति, एक ही ताकत, एक ही ज्ञान, मन की शांति और चित्त की शुद्धता के ये हैं स्थान। मन की शांति और चित्त की शुद्धता के ये हैं स्थान। अब तो इंसान इस मर्म को पहचान।
My dear friends, excellence should be the brand of Shantiniketan. I hope you all will do a commitment on the eve of Christmas for taking Shantiniketan at a greatest height. Today I would like to convey a great message from Bible as well as from Gita. Service and significance is a must. If you really want to achieve a great height in your life, believe in service, because service is common for all. Most successful people in the world believe in service. I promise success will follow you if you believe in service. And one more thing, I think you all should do a commitment from yourself that let excellence be your brand. You all are filled with enormous potential, and I hope for the resolution of this 2021, you all will utilize this enormous potential to make the excellence of your brand. And also keep in mind with whom you are living, who are your friends, and if your company is not good, you will not succeed in your life. So please live with the successful friends. This lifetime will never come again. It is precious, it is irreplaceable. To live without regret, we must have to find the concrete purpose. If your life is purposeless, you don't have any goal in your life, you cannot excel towards excellence. If you really want to excel and want to make excellence your brand, find out some goal and work towards it, and you need to keep moving towards the goal you set for your life, and one step at a time is a must. Always stay open to new possibilities.
Hey man, you're really good on the sitar. Can I join you?
Sure, have a seat. What instrument is that?
It's called a sarangi. It's a lute of Indian origin and mimics a human voice. Check this out.
Hey, that sounds amazing, guys. Can I come jam with y'all?
Hey, you guys sound pretty good. But you guys are missing one thing.
About celebration, and on the inside everyone wants to dance. So let's call our girls for beautiful dance performance.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New
बेटा बेटा बेटा
आप लोगों को she said so many things today about the religious books, Gita Jayanti, and so many practical things. Only one thing I would like to say to all my students, those who are here, like this year was really bad and we are coming to end of this year 2020 and hoping that 21 will come up with some good news and something good for all of us. As most of you will be going for your board exams, आप लोग सब बोलेंगे मैम एग्जाम ले आई, अभी तो जिंगल बेल हो रहा था। देखो जब एक रहता है क्रिसमस टाइम में लगता है कि मेरी मेकिंग टाइम है, बट फॉर फ्यू people, like few students, I would rather say, time is tough. 10th and 12th, especially आप लोगों के लिए, तो मेरी blessings as New Year is coming with your exams. All my blessings are with you all, that कैसा भी पेपर हो, you all come out with good marks and flying colors. आप SNWS का शांति निकेतन का नाम करें. One thing which ma'am was telling, that individually, मुझे ऐसा लगता है when I go around and आजकल कोरोना COVID-19 है, मास्क मैंडेटरी है, हम लोग स्कूल कैंपस में भी आर पुटिंग ऑल द मास्क. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट, आई एम रियली सॉरी, बट व्हेन आई सी मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन आउटसाइड द कैंपस, दे आर विदाउट मास्क. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज दैट आप लोग ये प्रिकॉशंस को लेके चलिए.